I've been doing a lot of research recently about building stick furniture, and this is a kiln-dried piece of walnut that I've had lying around for a while. Now, the best thing to do for stick furniture is to split the wood instead of cutting it. That way the piece of wood that you end up with, the cut or the split follows the grain of the wood, and so you have grain running perfectly through the wood. Ideally you do this from a whole log, but I don't have access to logs where I am. So I've done a bit of research, and apparently you can do this with dried timber. So it seemed to work okay with the ash stool that I built, and I'm going to try it again here on this piece of walnut. After splitting up that piece of wood, I can take a look at what's going on with the edge grain. As you can see here, there's a very slight curve in the grain on the piece of wood, but I think that should be fine for a leg still. So from here I can kind of mill them up as I would do normally. I've got this simple little tapering jig that I made up, and I'm actually going to use this to my advantage with some of the run out of the grain. So you can see here that the grain comes in at an angle like that, and so by cutting off this edge I'm basically increasing the amount of straight grain that runs through the board. So I'm ready to octagonalize my legs, and I've marked out on them a ratio of 7 to 10 to 7, and I calculated what those distances would be based on the width at the top and then the bottom, so that way I can cut a nice tapered octagon shape. I want the undercarriage spindles to taper from the centre down to the ends, and I'm just doing that with a block plane or a spoke shave.